welcome. This is Explore 254 and thank you for stopping by. And in today's video, we're going to do something exciting. We're going to explore something so great. We are going to look at one of Kenya's best-selling brand in electrical appliances, especially the home appliances. And this is a cooker from Von. So in today's video, again, I'm going to show you how to operate such a cooker the moment that you have bought it. So stay tuned and watch till the end, and thank you so very much. So for first-time buyers, I know this is a manual that you're usually provided. It comes with a package, but it gets so difficult reading through and trying to understand every word. So today I'm just going to show you in simple terms, in simple ways, the parts of the cooker, how each part operates, and how to be effective with each part. To start with, I'll give you a quick tour on the electric, gas cooker and oven, show you how every part operates and how to be effective with each. So, being electricity, it comes with a plug. So you get to plug it at the electricity socket. Then there's an option for the gas. So here we have the gas pipe. Yeah, you get to plug it at the gas mouth and a bit behind the cooker. And for the quantity of the gas, you don't have to go at it for the big 13 kgs or stuff kind of gases. Even the small one, 6 kg is okay, because it can be alternative as you keep on using it. So for this cooker, we have 3 gas burners and we have 1 electric burner. So for every burner, we have the buttons. Like here we have 7 buttons for each burner. I'm going to show you how they work. Then we have the oven, the electric oven with every layers, and I'm going to show you how it's going to work and every part and every function. So stay tuned. So this is a timer button. It helps you monetize the time, your time when cooking, maybe in the oven or when you're grilling or baking or roasting. So depending on the time that you want your food to cook, this should help you to monetize it. Like if you have queen cakes, they like bake for 20 minutes, you have a 20 minutes option here. So you'll hear it ticking, and once that is done, you'll hear this. So that should notify you that your queen cakes are ready, and yeah, you're good to go. So to this second button, this is the button to the first. You can see here, this is the shape of how the cooker looks like on the top. So to your left, to your first left, is now the first burner. So for the gas option, this is how you go about it. This it's gas, so we have to use a matchstick. So you're going to put it on and it lights for the gas option. Then switch it off if you're done. For the electricity option, we're going to have that light up. Then we have the starter. Yeah, this is now the lighter for the electricity. So you direct it to the first left burner. To our third button, this is now the burner to the far left. So this is now our electric burner. Our electric burner, we use with the electricity. So once you light it, it will show you that your electric burner is on, and so you'll just wait for it to heat up. Then you place your sufuria in accordance to the size of the burner. Then now you can switch it off and ensure that now your electricity is off too. To our fourth button, this is now the oven button, the oven temperature button. Like you're wanting to cook chicken, you're wanting to cook any kind of of pastry, this is now the temperature regulator. If you want, for example, cakes and other foods that use little amount of heat, you will like have 180, 130 or something. So like this one is the temperature for the oven, like how your oven should like get preheated and stuff. Then now you can regulate to whatever amount you want. If you want to roast or to grill, it can go up to 350, it can go up to 25 all the way. So this is now to help you regulate and ensure that your electricity is on, because this uses the electricity. To our fifth button, this is now to show you, this is also the an oven button. Okay. This is also an oven button, like it will show you that where the heat is from. So like for here, the heat is from above and also below, like here, from above here and from below. So if you want your heat to come from above, there's this side. Oh, this is down. So if you want your heat to come from down, you will just regulate it this way, okay, like that. Then it will, your heat now will come from down. If you want it to come from up, you will now have to, there's a, yeah, this one shows that the heat is from up. So if you want your heat to be from up alone, now face let it face down. So if you want now to cook evenly, like your heat to come from up, your heat to also come from down, then put it at minimum, like medium. So your heat will come from up and down, and whatever you're cooking between will have some even cooking. Then now you can switch it off once you're done. To our sixth button, now we go to the right side burners. This is for the far right burner here. So for our gas option again, we are going to light our matchstick and put it on. Yeah, and it lights. Like you rotate, then you can be able to regulate your fire. If you want it low, if you want it so much like that, you're able to regulate. Then now it's off again. For our electric option, we will have this to light, but now you'll be able to direct it to the far right. You see, like this is now the starter. This is now the starter of the electricity. You'll hear it ticking like t t t t. Then now you have to direct the light to where you're cooking from, like the right burner. Then now you can switch it off once you're done cooking. Now to our last button, this is now the button now to the near right here. So again, for our gas option, we have a matchstick. Just light it on. Yeah. Then now you're able to regulate. If you want little fire, if you want so much, you can be able to regulate. Then now you can switch it off. For our electric option, again, we have the lighter. So the lighter goes on and ticks. Then now you have to direct it to that side. Yeah, for the electric option. Then now you can be able to regulate and have fun cooking. So now that was a general overlook on how each button functions and how to light the burners. Now we are going to look at the oven, where now the magic happens. And so we are going to look at how it functions and how to use it effectively. Now for the oven, we have the oven trays. The trays where now you can be able to roast or bake things like meat and stuff. Yeah. Then we have the metal frame to hold the grill burner for your chicken or something. Then now we have the grill itself. So we have layers. We have layers in the oven. So if you, like now here where we say the heat coming from up and below, and now you're wanting your heat to come from both sides, and you're grilling something like a steak or fish, and now you'll be able to put it hapo katikati. You'll be able to put it at the middle there, so that now your heat from below and your heat from above is going to cook your meat in a very great special way. So if you're wanting to cook with heat from below, there's an option. You can go to the lowercase and let it heat and cook from your heat from below. If you're wanting your heat to be from above alone, then you can shift it to above. Yeah. And be careful. Yeah. And now if you're wanting it to be medium, then now you can have the medium case. Yeah, and cook your meat, everything. And now for the lovers of meat, if you're wanting to roast things like chicken and stuff, this here is a grill burner for chicken, mostly used for chicken. So I'm going to show you how it works in the oven, and yeah, follow through. So for example, now in my case, I will want my heat to be from above and below, like having it at medium. So you will be able to adjust it to medium, like how I showed you earlier. In the oven, I hope you can see this hole here is now what will be used. Like the tip here will have to get tightened to that hole. So if you want now your heat to come from above and below, having adjusted your button, this is how now you're supposed to position. You go to the middle case, and now these are adjustable. So if your meat is so small, you'll be able to adjust, like you adjust the knobs here, and be careful that they're so sharp, so be careful. So you'll be able to adjust according to the size of the meat. If it's small or big like this, then this is how you connect to that hole. You'll be able to tighten up. Yeah, then we have the button to make it rotate, like it rotates. So once it is on, you'll see it rotating. So you'll see it rotating. So like your chicken will get cooking, somersaulting as some will say, and it will be fun to watch. So that is how we use a cooker, that is how to operate a cooker. And I hope you've learned something from today's tutorial. It's so simple. As you keep on cooking every day and using it, the more the fun, the more you get knowledgeable, the more you'll also teach your neighbors, teach your friends, teach your colleagues, and stuff like that. Thank you for watching, and hoping that you'll subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.